Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to check the status of your Bank of Queensland credit card application. So if you've applied for the credit card of Bank of Queensland and want to check the status, for that you have to do this simple steps. Open up a browser, type in www.boq.com.au/personal credit card slash manage my credit card application. That is going to take you to their official page where you can see this application link. So go ahead and press on. Now here you can see that if you've already applied for a BOQ credit card and want to view the status of your application online, you'll be asked to enter the 17-digit application reference number, mother's maiden name, and date of birth. Now you'll find the reference number in the confirmation email that they've sent you during the application procedure. So to check this, click on application status, and it's going to take you to the field where you have to go ahead and enter this information. Once you're done fulfilling the information, click the next button and you should be able to view your application status. So with that, you've successfully completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.